Hello there, my dear patio dreamers. If you're anything like me, you've stood on your back porch with that first cup of morning coffee, looking at your tired old space and thinking, this could be so much more. Maybe you've flipped through those glossy home magazines, admiring those picture-perfect outdoor rooms, then glanced at your bank account and sighed. Well, what if I told you that with just $20 and a little creativity, you could transform your patio into a magazine-worthy retreat that'll have your neighbors stopping mid-walk to admire? Today we're unveiling 21 budget-friendly makeover secrets that prove luxury doesn't have a price tag, and you absolutely won't believe the magic we create with just pool noodles in tip number 14. Welcome to Golden Seniors Living, where we prove every single day that style has no expiration date, and neither does your creativity. If you're ready to turn your forgotten outdoor space into your personal slice of paradise without spending a fortune, I need you to hit that subscribe button right now, because we've got 21 jaw-dropping transformations coming your way that'll make your heart sing and keep your wallet absolutely smiling. Let's start with something that'll absolutely blow your mind. Got empty wine bottles gathering dust in your recycling bin? Don't you dare throw those away. I'm about to show you how to turn them into the most stunning Tiki torches that look like they came straight from an expensive resort. All you need are $3 torch wicks from your local dollar store. Simply remove the labels. A little warm soapy water does the trick. Then thread the wick through the bottle opening. Fill the bottom third with lamp oil, and boom, you've just created ambient lighting that rivals $50 designer torches. Picture this. As the sun sets, these gentle flames dance in the evening breeze, casting the most romantic shadows across your patio. Your guests will think you hired a professional decorator, but you'll know the beautiful truth. Sometimes the most magical light comes from what we thought was finished. Now I know what you're thinking when I say cinder blocks, construction sites, and hardware stores, right? But honey, these humble blocks are about to become your new best friend in outdoor decorating. Stack 3 blocks in an L shape, then top with weatherproof outdoor cushions. What you've just created is modern geometric seating that looks like it belongs in a high-end furniture showroom. The total cost, about $30. The look, pure designer sophistication that would cost you $300 in stores. The beauty is in the clean lines and industrial chic appeal. Plus, these seats are indestructible. Rain, snow, or scorching sun, they'll be ready for your next outdoor gathering. And here's the best part. You can rearrange them anytime your creative spirit moves you. But wait until you see what we do with something even more unexpected. Old shower curtains. That old shower curtains you were about to toss. Stop right there. We're about to turn it into the most charming little cabana corner that'll become your favorite retreat spot. Here's the magic. Create a simple frame using PVC pipes. They're lightweight, affordable, and easy to work with. Thread your shower curtain along a wire or rope strung between the pipes. What you've created is instant shade, privacy, and that cozy cafe feeling we all crave. For less than $15, you now have your own little hideaway where you can enjoy your morning tea, read that book you've been meaning to finish, or simply watch the world go by. The gentle fabric catches the breeze beautifully, creating the most soothing private corner that feels like a hug from your patio. Remember those mason jars sitting in your pantry? They're about to become the star of your evening patio parties. We're creating a solar chandelier that'll make your outdoor space feel absolutely enchanting after dark. Take 6 to 8 mason jars and carefully thread solar string lights inside each one. The trick is letting just enough lights overflow to create that magical sparkle. Hang them at varying heights from a simple wooden beam or existing pergola structure. When evening falls, these jars transform into the most romantic lighting you've ever seen. They charge themselves during the day and automatically illuminate at dusk. Zero electricity bills, maximum charm. Your patio becomes a fairy tale setting where every evening feels like a celebration. That wooden pallet your neighbor was throwing out, it's about to become your living masterpiece. We're creating a vertical garden wall that'll make your patio feel like a secret garden retreat. Mount the pallet vertically against any wall or fence. The slats create perfect pockets for small pots filled with herbs, succulents, or cascading flowers. What you've created is living artwork that changes with the seasons and fills your space with the most incredible fragrances. Imagine stepping onto your patio and being greeted by the scent of fresh basil, lavender, and mint. This isn't just decoration, it's a sensory experience that connects you with nature every single day. The best part, As your plants grow and flourish, your wall art becomes more beautiful and more uniquely yours. Now here's where we get really creative. Got an old tire taking up space in your garage? We're about to turn it into the most stylish ottoman that looks like it came from an expensive coastal boutique. Start wrapping thick rope around the tire, securing it with a strong adhesive as you go. Work your way from bottom to top, keeping each row tight and even. Top it off with a circular cushion that fits perfectly inside the rim. What you've created is completely waterproof seating with serious style credentials. These ottomans have that expensive nautical look that interior designers charge hundreds for, but you've made yours for about $20. Rain or shine, they'll be ready for your feet or extra seating when friends drop by. Tired of staring at that plain, boring concrete patio floor? We're about to paint the most stunning geometric pattern directly onto your concrete that'll look like you installed an expensive outdoor rug. Choose 2 or 3 colors that complement your outdoor furniture. Using painter's tape, create diamonds, stripes or a Moroccan-inspired pattern. The key is taking your time with the taping. Precision here creates that professional finish. When you peel away that tape and reveal your design, you'll be absolutely amazed. You've just created a custom outdoor rug that never needs washing, never fades, and never blows away in the wind. Every time you step outside, you'll feel like you're walking into a designer showcase. That old wooden ladder collecting cobwebs in your shed. It's about to become the most charming plant display that adds vertical interest and cottage charm to your patio. Simply lean the ladder against a wall and use each rung as a natural shelf for potted plants. Mix different sizes and types, trailing plants on top, fuller plants in the middle, and perhaps some herbs at the bottom for easy picking. What you've created is a living sculpture that draws the eye upward and makes your patio feel larger and more lush. As your plants grow and trail down between the rungs, this display becomes more magical with each passing week. It's like having a garden that grows up instead of out. Is an ugly chain link fence or neighbor's view ruining your patio paradise? We're about to fix that with the most creative privacy solution that'll have people asking where you bought such beautiful screening. Choose outdoor fabric and colors that make you happy, maybe soft blues and whites for a coastal feel, or warm earth tones for a desert vibe. Weave fabric strips through your fence or string them between posts, alternating colors and patterns. For under $25, you've transformed an eyesore into genuine artwork. The fabric moves gently in the breeze, creating privacy while still allowing airflow. You've just turned your problem into your patio's most beautiful feature. Before you recycle those large tin cans, let me show you how to turn them into the most exotic lanterns that'll transport your patio straight to a Moroccan marketplace. Use a nail and hammer to punch decorative holes and patterns around the can. Stars, flowers, or geometric designs work beautifully. Add battery-operated tea lights or string lights inside, and hang them at various heights around your patio. When darkness falls, these lanterns cast the most intricate shadow patterns on your walls and furniture. The dancing light creates an atmosphere so magical, so exotic, that you'll feel like you've traveled somewhere far away without leaving your backyard. All for the cost of the candles. That worn-out garden hose you were about to replace. Don't throw it away. We're about to turn it into the most unique practical doormat that'll never wear out. Coil the hose into a tight spiral, starting from the center and working outward. Secure the coils with strong zip ties placed underneath where they won't show. What you've created is a drainage-friendly mat that's completely weatherproof. This isn't just practical, it's a conversation piece. The gentle spiral pattern is surprisingly elegant, and because it's made from rubber, dirt, and water flow right through, you'll never need to replace this mat, and every guest will ask about your creative genius. Are you loving these budget-friendly transformations as much as I am? We're just getting to the really exciting stuff, including how pool noodles become the most elegant privacy screen you've ever seen. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Got pretty tablecloths tucked away in your linen closet that you never use? We're about to give them a starring role in your patio transformation. String a wire or thin rope between posts or from your house to a tree. Simply clip your tablecloths along this line, using weatherproof clothespins or outdoor curtain clips. Choose tablecloths in coordinating colors or mix patterns for an eclectic bohemian feel. These flowing fabric panels create instant elegance and provide gentle filtering of harsh sunlight. When the breeze catches them, they dance and sway, creating the most serene resort-like atmosphere. You've just added softness and movement to your outdoor space for practically nothing. Those same concrete blocks we used for seating, they're about to create the most stunning modern planters that look like they belong in a contemporary art museum. Stack them in interesting geometric patterns, maybe a pyramid shape, or staggered levels that create visual interest. Fill each opening with potting soil, and plant with succulents, ornamental grasses, or trailing flowers. What you've achieved is architectural drama without the architect's price tag. These planters have serious design credibility. They're bold, modern, and completely transform your patio's personality. As your plants grow and spill over the edges, the contrast between the industrial blocks and soft vegetation creates pure artistic magic. Here's that pool noodle magic I promised, and it's going to absolutely amaze you. We're creating a privacy screen so beautiful and functional that you'll wonder why expensive stores don't sell something this clever. Cut pool noodles into equal lengths, about 4 feet works perfectly. Thread a strong wire or rope through the center of each noodle, then hang them vertically from a frame or between posts. Choose noodles in colors that complement your patio palette. This flexible, weatherproof screen sways beautifully in the breeze, creating privacy while still allowing air circulation. The colors stay bright year after year, and if one gets damaged, just replace that single noodle. You've created custom privacy screening that's both functional and surprisingly elegant. Every great patio needs a stylish drink station, and we're creating one that screams farmhouse chic without the farmhouse price tag. A large galvanized bucket becomes your ice-filled beverage cooler. Surround it with smaller buckets holding napkins, cups, and snacks. Add a vintage-style bottle opener mounted on a small piece of reclaimed wood. This isn't just practical. It's a focal point that tells your guests they're in for a good time. The metal catches the light beautifully, and there's something so satisfying about ice-cold drinks served from this rustic elegant station. Your patio party's just got a major upgrade. That canvas drop cloth from your last painting project. It's about to become the most stylish shade structure that provides relief from harsh summer sun. Stretch the drop cloth between posts, trees, or from your house to a fence, creating interesting angles that add architectural interest to your space. The key is creating tension so it doesn't sag. This gives it that professional designed look. Canvas naturally softens harsh sunlight, while still allowing gentle breezes to flow underneath. You've just created designer shade structure for the price of paint supplies. The neutral color complements any decor style, and the organic texture adds warmth to your outdoor room. That old suitcase in your attic just found its perfect second career. We're turning it into a side table with hidden storage that adds vintage charm and serious functionality to your patio. Attach hairpin legs or simple wooden legs to the bottom of the suitcase. The inside becomes hidden storage for outdoor cushions, games, or extra throws for cool evenings. The top serves as a perfect surface for drinks, books, or decorative accents. This piece tells a story. It has character and history that mass-produced furniture simply can't match. Every guest will be curious about its travels, and you'll love having beautiful storage that keeps your patio organized while adding personality. Now here's something that'll bring out the child in everyone who visits your patio. Got grandkids coming over? Or maybe you just want to add some whimsical magic to your evening gatherings. We're creating the most enchanting lanterns, using something as simple as glow sticks. Take those mason jars we love so much, and drop activated glow sticks right inside. Choose different colors, maybe soft blues and greens for an underwater feel, or warm oranges and yellows for a cozy campfire vibe. The beauty is in the soft, safe glow that creates instant atmosphere without any fire hazards or electrical concerns. Picture this. As dusk settles over your patio, these magical orbs come alive with gentle, otherworldly light. Children's eyes light up with wonder, but honestly, adults are just as mesmerized. You've created pure enchantment that lasts for hours, and when the glow fades, simply replace the glow stick for your next magical evening. Don't laugh when I tell you we're using plastic spoons for this next transformation. You're about to create dimensional wall art that looks like it came from an expensive gallery. Arrange plastic spoons in a perfect sunburst pattern, with the bowl ends pointing outward like flower petals. Glue them to a circular base, Then spray paint the entire creation in metallic gold, silver, or copper. Mount several of these at different heights on your fence or wall. What you've created catches and reflects light throughout the day, creating ever-changing shadow patterns and sparkles. These chrysanthemum sculptures add sophisticated texture and movement to flat surfaces. Your neighbors will swear you hired an artist, but you'll know the beautiful secret: sometimes the most stunning art comes from the most unexpected materials. Remember those embroidery hoops tucked away in your craft supplies? They're about to become the most innovative hanging gardens that seem to float magically in your patio space. Stretch chicken wire or garden mesh tightly across large embroidery hoops, securing it well around the edges. Fill small pockets of the mesh with moss and tiny plants. Succulents work beautifully, as do air plants or small ferns. Hang these at varying heights throughout your patio using invisible fishing line. What you've created is garden magic that defies gravity. These floating circles of green add layers of interest at eye level, creating the feeling that your patio extends upward into the air itself. As the plants grow and trail downward, these living sculptures become more enchanting with each passing week. Our final transformation proves that even the most practical solutions can bring unexpected joy to your space. Got worn tennis balls that have lost their bounce? We're giving them a stylish second life that'll protect your furniture while adding delightful pops of color. Cut a small slit in each tennis ball and pop them onto the legs of your patio chairs and tables. But here's where we get creative. Choose tennis balls in different bright colors, or spray paint them in shades that complement your patio palette. Not only do these protect your deck or patio surface from scratches and scuffs, but they add whimsical touches that make everyone smile. There's something wonderfully playful about this practical solution that reminds us not to take our decorating too seriously. Sometimes the best design elements are the ones that make us laugh with delight. From wine bottles to pool noodles, from tin cans to forgotten suitcases, we've just proven something beautiful together. The most stunning transformations don't come from expensive stores or designer showrooms. They come from seeing potential in the forgotten, magic in the mundane. Your patio isn't just outdoor space, my friend. It's your canvas for creating memories, your stage for summer evening conversations, your sanctuary where time slows down and worries fade away. Every dollar you saved with these transformations is another sunset you can enjoy, worry-free, another gathering you can host with pride. We've turned the ordinary into extraordinary, and in doing so, we've remembered something important. Creativity doesn't require a big budget. It requires a willingness to see possibilities where others see problems, beauty where others see junk, and potential where others see the end of something's usefulness. Because the truth is, every bloom in your new patio paradise is a little thank you from the earth for seeing it with fresh eyes. If even one of these transformations sparked that wonderful "I can do this" feeling in your heart, would you give us a thumbs up? It truly makes our day to know we've inspired you to create something beautiful. And please, drop a comment below and tell us, which transformation are you most excited to try first? Are you dreaming of those wine bottle tiki torches? Or maybe that pool noodle privacy screen has captured your imagination? We read every single comment, and your enthusiasm fuels our creativity. Don't forget to subscribe to Golden Seniors Living, because this is just the beginning. We're here to prove every single day that creativity and style bloom at every age, that budget doesn't determine beauty, and that your best decorating days are still ahead of you. Until next time, my creative friends, keep transforming the ordinary into extraordinary. Your patio paradise is waiting, and it's going to be absolutely magnificent.